28. Predict by what modes of spontaneous radioactive decay each of the following unstable isotopes might proceed. And then we have Pu. Ooh, that one smells. Pu, plutonium, with a mass number of 237. Now, they did say automatically that this is an unstable isotope, which means that it is radioactive. And radioactive material don't want to be radioactive for long. They will decay in such a way, ooh, I love a good rhyme. They will decay in such a way that it will become a stable isotope. So plutonium-237 is going to keep breaking down until it finds a stable isotope to be, whatever that stable isotope is. But now we have to figure out what type of decay mode that's going to undergo, right? Beta emission, positron emission, electron capture, or alpha emission. There's 4 different ones. Now, the first thing is I would always shoot for alpha emission. You kind of want to get rid of this one right away because this one's the easiest to spot. Now, chances are with isotopes or nuclei that are huge, right? Atomic number that's greater than 83, they need to lose a lot of mass fast. They got to drop that weight. So they go on a diet of alpha emission. But, besides the point, they're just too large for what they are, right? Anything over 83 is just a huge nucleus. It needs to decay. And in order to lose a lot of that mass fast, it loses helium atoms, which is alpha emission. Now over here, they did tell us that we have 237, but that number is the mass number. That is not the atomic number. We would have to go on the periodic table to see what mass plutonium has, because an atomic number for plutonium is never, ever going to change. And I got my periodic table out. Do you have your periodic table out? And plutonium is number 94. Oh, 94! So that's the atomic number. But according to the rules, 94, I think, is greater than 83. And majority of the time, if you have a atomic number that's greater than 83, it's going to undergo alpha emission. So there you go. Doesn't even have to be, have to look any farther than that. This is generally going to undergo alpha emission. It's going to lose those helium atoms to drop 4 mass numbers and 2 atomic numbers, because that's what a helium is. But other than that, I think we're good. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope this channel is helping you out. If you have physics or math help, we also have those on the channel as well. And hopefully as the school semester, goes forward, we could put out some new stuff for you guys. We also opened up memberships on the channel. If you want to become a member to the channel, you get more perks. But it's up to you. But I'll talk to you soon, okay? Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.